If you've ever watched a single drone try to manually scan a multi-megawatt solar site row by row, you know exactly how painful and slow it is. By the time you get the data back, it's already weeks old, and meanwhile, hidden faults have been quietly eating away at your capacity. To fix that lag, we eliminated the field friction to make capture completely autonomous. With vHive, anyone on your existing field crew can run a full thermographic survey with less than 2 hours of training. The field app automatically plans every flight, eliminating manual flying and the need for specialized drone pilots. But here's where it gets really exciting. vHive is the only platform that lets you deploy a coordinated multi-drone fleet simultaneously. A single crew can easily clear over 100 megawatts in one day. You capture the entire site during the exact midday window when irradiance is highest and thermal data is bankable. The software autonomously coordinates the entire fleet, automatically dividing the flight paths to ensure total coverage. The captured data uploads directly into vHive's digital twin, bypassing traditional processing lags to deliver complete visual and thermal asset mapping within 48 hours. vHive's AI scans thousands of raw thermal and visual images, instantly geolocating and categorizing anomalies across the entire site. Let's look at this specific section. Instead of digging through folders of raw data, you can click straight into the most critical issues, like this multi-hotspot anomaly. You get immediate visibility into exact cell temperatures and calculated annual power losses, making it easy to separate minor anomalies from critical failures. To spot larger trends across your arrays, you can group the findings by defect type. Here, the system flags string-level potential-induced degradation. Switching between thermal and visual imagery lets your team verify what's happening on site without an extra truck roll. Zooming in here, you can clearly see cracked glass on the module surface, the root cause of the overheating affecting the string's performance. Now that the analysis is done, with one click, the platform generates a thermographic report. The executive summary isolates performance highlights, overall power degradation, and estimated revenue loss. For O&M teams, every anomaly is mapped with precise row locations, coordinates, and direct links back to the digital twin. Field crews get a single source of truth, moving straight from raw data to a prioritized work order. Reach out to our team at vHive and see how quickly you can move from inspection to action.